welcome back. Look at what I have. These are Barbie Kinder Eggs. Do you know what a Kinder Egg is? It is a chocolate egg, and inside there is a little plastic egg type container that has a little toy in it. These ones are Barbie themed. Now, I know in the US you cannot have actual Kinder eggs. You have Kinder Joy. One half is the egg, one half is the chocolate. Europe and Canada, we have the egg inside, or the toy inside. Look at how cute the packaging is on these. This one has a bit of a dent in the chocolate. That's okay. But they are Barbie. And apparently there are 24 different little Barbie toys or little dolls. And I mean little because they have to fit inside this egg that you can collect. And I thought, oh my goodness, I love Kinder chocolate. Why not get these eggs? Are you ready to open them? I am so excited to open them. I am going to put down a piece of paper because I don't want the chocolate to touch the fake grass. I do want to eat it after. I am excited. I love Kinder eggs. I am going to start with Blonde Barbie. Look at how cute she is. So she's wearing a nice little polka dot shirt, classic Barbie hair. These are from Mattel. It does say 2021, but they are new. That would just be the year that the pattern was created. Look at these. These are so good. I know in the US you can't have them because of the whole food and the toy rule. Europe and Canada, these are huge sellers. We do have Kinder Joy. It's just not the same. There is package 1, and there is our Barbie. Look at the little heart. Oh my gosh, I love these. Let me move the garbage. You know what? Let me move the garbage. And then here's our egg. When you crack it, I don't want to get chocolate everywhere. There we go. So now these eggs are full chocolate. So these might not actually be Kinder brand. Usually the Kinder brand is a brown chocolate on the outside and a white chocolate on the inside. But let's taste the chocolate. Oh my gosh, it is so good. I don't think these are actual Kinder Egg brand because this little egg inside, this little egg inside is white, and on a normal Kinder Egg, it's like a yellowish orange, but same concept. Let's get it open. Okay. Ooh. There is a little bit going on in here. So we have the collector guide. This is showing us, okay, you can have these little Barbie dolls, rings, or these, I'm thinking these are like dolls on a stand. I don't know. But let's open it up. No. Oh, it folds. Okay. And it's okay. It's a plastic. So I think we got these ones. Yeah, look. Blue pants. It's this one right here. It's supposed to be Barbie. This is disappointing. I remember when they were actual little Barbie dolls. What else is in here? The stand. And it does say 2022 Mattel. So it goes like that. Barbie stands up. Okay, this one is totally underwhelming. What am I supposed to do with this? I mean, let me think. What are we going to do with this? You know what? Okay. I have an idea. I wanted these to be little Barbie dolls so that I could put them in the Barbie house. But these could literally be like, they are big enough. They could go in your American Girl doll house. If you have a Barbie bedroom in your American Girl doll house, that would actually be quite perfect. Put it on the fireplace mantle. It stands up. If you have a toy store or a store for your American Girl dolls, that could be a Barbie in the store. Okay. All right. So at least we have an idea. You could always poke a hole in it too and maybe hang it on your Christmas tree. mean, you could do that too. All right. Let me know in the comments what ideas you have for these, because there must be something. Let's go on to the second one. Same heart. This one is a brunette Barbie. And I know the packaging doesn't really make all that much of a difference as to which one it is. Let's open this up. So we have the same egg. This one also has a dent. I think that may have been me holding them because when I bought them, I didn't want to get a cart. Let's crack them open. Oh, this one didn't crack so well. Okay. Let's move the chocolate. I am now acquiring a lovely little pile of chocolate. Look at the little chocolate crumbs. I didn't want it in my fake grass. Okay. Let's get this one open. Okay. Okay, now we're talking. We got the ring. And this one is different. Would you look at that? These ones only have the dolls and the ring. And look at the paper. Look at the paper. This one, dull. This one is shiny matte. Glossy paper, flat paper. They both say Barbie collection. So did I just literally say that it doesn't matter? What is the year on this one? 2021? No. All right. I don't know what they're doing, but we have a Barbie ring. There is our Barbie ring. How cute. So now we have a ring and our weird little Barbie. All right, we have one left. Okay. Based on the original one, we got the little plastic one and a ring. And that ring is not here because we have a heart. But there's a heart ring on this one. Is that how they got the 24? Maybe there's two different series of these and they're just not labeled? But they were in the same box. Like, I don't know. This would be cute. You could turn that into like an ornament or something. Oh my gosh. If you bought that BFF Barbie thing, how cute. Okay. Right? Like you could add that to it. I don't know. Let's do our red head. Let's get it open. Oh, I just ripped that one. Well, so much for saving the packaging on these, huh? Let's get it open. And ready? Ready? Oh, I did not. Oh, okay. This one did not. It did not break well. Oh my gosh. Little shards of chocolate. But it is such a yum. Melt in your mouth chocolate. I absolutely love it. Oh my goodness. Let's get this one open. Okay. Okay. It's another glossy. It's another little glossy. So we didn't get any of the dolls. But we got a second ring. So now we have this beautiful ring with the blue. So we got two rings. It's too bad the stones. Are they? No. I was going to say, it'd be kind of cool to interchange the stones because we have the pink and the blue and the blue. I did want an actual Barbie. Right? They both show the actual Barbies. I wanted an actual Barbie. Okay, maybe I should buy more of these. Do I really need to eat that much chocolate though? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Should we get more of these? I'm really disappointed in this one. I mean, cute concept, but like it's only one-sided too. Okay, maybe I'll put that in my American Girl dollhouse. And maybe with our beautiful, let me put them facing the right way. With our beautiful rings, we can come up with, I don't know, some form of art. What do you think? What should we do with these rings? Ornaments? I don't know. What would you do with these? And let me know. In the US, especially, do you have Kinder Joy that are themed like these eggs were Barbie as opposed to the regular Kinder eggs? And I know I've seen like NBA and different sports. Do you have Kinder eggs with the chocolate? Or is it just the Kinder? I mean, I know you have just the Kinder Joy, but do you maybe have like chocolate and then the toy is like separate? I don't know. I don't know. Let me know. All right. I guess I'm going to put this in my Barbie house. These two, I don't know. And that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to subscribe, like and subscribe. Thanks, everyone.